Make sure you get a high-quality set and install them correctly. Countless successful cases prove that Audi wheel spacers are safe for Q8. For decades, many well-known wheel manufacturers have provided spacers with no consent. Many tire technicians will agree that proper Audi wheel spacers will be a good idea to fit wider wheels and encounter clearance issues. During the installation, use a good torque wrench to torque the wheel nut to the correct sport pounds of process. This ensures the spacers are properly mounted on wheels. As long as you use high-quality ones and install them properly, it is very safe to use wheel spacers on wheels for daily driving. When it comes to choosing the best spacers on wheels, consider these factors: brand reputation and product warranty, precise fitment for your specific car model, thickness that matches your requirements, hub-centric or lug-centric construction, quality of materials and process, additionally function and customer support. It is safe to use spacers on wheels at high speed. In fact, many people use spacers for racing because of the added traction and grip benefit. Even some famous aftermarket wheel manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. Generally, hub-centric Q8 wheel spacers ensure that your wheels are properly centered and fastened. Get high-quality hub-centric wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals. Then there is nothing to worry about. For connection components like wheel spacers, the higher the precision of the contact phase, the better the spacers will fit. Thus, the safer your driving will be. Particularly, the precision of BONOSS sports wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Such precise BONOSS Audi wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus feature. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of the BONOSS wheel spacers means that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling, while ensuring safety and reliability. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Alright, let's wrap it up. When it comes to using wheel spacers, safety is all about doing it right. With quality components like those from BONOSS and a proper installation process, spacers can safely enhance your ride performance and stance.